Flsun 3D printer. First, take out all components. Here are all the assembly screws and wrenches. You can use them when assembling the machine. Next, I will show you how to assemble our QQ printer quickly. Now, installing the optical axis, there are 3 points that need to pay extra attention. 1. The belt must be in the middle of 2 optical axes. 2. The direction of the metal screw must be upward. 3. The optical axis should be inserted in the end. The same method installs the remaining optical axis. Please make the Flsun trademark and touch screen in the same direction. Align the optical axis with the optical axis hole. Please note that it must be fully aligned before pressing the upper shell. Straighten the timing belt according to the video presentation. Do not twist it. Then insert it into the slot. Rotate the timing belt fixing screw and screw on. Then install the remaining timing belt in the same way. Remove the red tape on the timing belt. Tighten the timing belt fixing screw so that the screw head and the nut are flush. Slide the slider to make it run smoothly. If the running is not smooth, you can loosen the strap fixing nut a little. Use an assembly wrench to tighten the optical axis fixing screw. Open the wire bundle. Connect the 3 connectors as shown in the video. Connect the bus connector and tighten the nuts. Connect the motor cable through the hole with the motor slot. Tighten the white feed tube. Put the side shell on the printer as shown in the video. Then tighten the 4 screws on the side shell. Install the other 2 side shells in the same way. Take out the filament support, align the holes in the upper shell, tighten the screws, and insert the consumables shaft. Our assembly is complete.